So yeah, I think anybody looking forward for a nice, definitely upgrade to their resume or their skill set with a good certification, which actually values in the real world, definitely they should go with IntelliPath because that will definitely add some value to their profile in future. With a background of hospitality in aviation. My initial career for 10 years was with aviation. And then I went into multinational IT company where I was operational lead. And after that, I have joined a marketing company as an executive assistant. Then I enrolled into IntelliPath in last January. So the courses have been like really helpful for me. So I have always believed in upscaling myself and bring it under a project management skill set. So the training has been like really, it's really beginner friendly, and the initial coordination has been like really well with the team. It has guided me through and through, and I had a really good beginner friendly experience initially, and it definitely had the recorded sessions, the live sessions that I could not join. I missed the live sessions were recorded, and the portal really helped me to go through the study material and then crack the quiz and complete the modules. Why I wanted this course was to upskill myself and go to that venture in future. But what I started with was what I excelled in. So, administrative lead. I was an administrative lead, so I was taking care of all the operations and everything. Definitely, Excel did help me. Mastering in Excel did help me in my day-to-day, tracking of all the inventories and operations that I used to take care of, and the client visits and all of that. It made it easier. Initial coordination and the trust, and definitely the tag of IIT, IIT Indore it's tied up with. So I wanted a certification from IIT. Why not? Because that particular name definitely affects your CV, your resume, and it definitely gives an impact. So I thought if I do any kind of project management course, then why not get a certification um, from somewhere like IIT. So that was the first motivation that I had to join this course, and also the initial person that I coordinated with. He really got me through the entire details of the course, and I got all the information before joining. I was explained about the process entirely. It was friendly. It was even budget friendly for me. So I liked it all in all. So, yes, it's a lifetime access to the course. That is another advantage, additional advantage, because I'm going to get whatever, like everything handy, whatever information I would require in future. Particularly, I can actually access it through the portal, and I can get access of it, and I can quickly revise the same. So it's like really good for a revision part, I believe. So it helps in for your interview process as well. So that is another additional point. Probably I'll be a little more well prepared before I actually go forward for a designation as such, so that I have my expertise in the same before I apply. So yeah, I think anybody looking forward for a nice, definitely upgrade to their resume or their skill set with a good certification, which actually values in the real world, definitely they should go with IntelliPath because that will definitely add some value to their profile in future.